I like to classify them as programmable and those where the mouse serves as a brush. What I mean by this is that there are those where you define the position, size, and other characteristics by commands, and those where you use the computer mouse to select what you want to create or change. I prefer programmable ones for several reasons. Among them, I can determine exactly the positions of the objects. They are highly scalable, and it is easy to communicate with AIs to clarify doubts and build parts of the drawing, since there is a script that you copy and paste into your project and modify to your needs. Furthermore, in the future, with the advancement of LMMs, I believe that these drawings will be able to be done by AIs through more human-like commands, leaving all the hard work to them, that is, defining the positions and customizations of all the objects in the scene, since it will be much easier for them to write code than, so to speak, grab their mouse and start drawing. Among these programmable or procedural options, I like to use the LaTeX language. With it, I can program my drawing, defining the positions of the objects, through Cartesian coordinates, define variables and parameters, create loops and logical conditions, have access to the LaTeX mathematical environment for equations and all the advantages and disadvantages of using LaTeX. The output file will be a PDF, a vectorized format, and therefore of high quality and portability. In addition, it is relatively easy to convert to PNG, SVG, or EPS, a standard commonly accepted by scientific journals. This is possible thanks to PGF, a low-level language. But let's work on a higher layer of abstraction using TX, which in turn is a high-level language. In addition to the possibility of making scientific illustrations, we can plot graphs with LaTeX through the PGF plots library,